Hi, and welcome to week 10. Let's take a look at what we've got going on this week. So, working with some more exponent kind of information, and then also some some more formulas in Excel, and so future value and payment formulas that you'll be working with. So do make sure you watch the study videos that go along with this. Big help, especially when it comes to those Excel formulas, showing you how those work and how you need to enter those in. They can be a little bit tricky to figure out otherwise, and so make sure you're watching those videos to help you get going on that for your assignments this week. So nothing really special about the gathering. Bring your exercises for 3.3 Part B with that. And then after your gathering, what you've got are the projects. So Life Plan Part 3, you have that, and you also have Exam 3. And so you have a visual chart that you'll be making to help you prepare for that as well. So let's take a look at your project for this week. And so what your project is, you'll be completing number 29 and number 30 from your exercises 3.3 Part C. And so what they say is number 29 has you finding the price, interest rate, and years for a loan for homes. And so a little bit of research that you've got to do there. Find this information about a home that you might be interested in, find interest rate and number of years for a loan, and then you'll be using that information in Excel and using the payment formula that's built into Excel in order to compute a monthly payment for that. And so it says figure out the cost to own a home, and really it's just using what is that monthly cost and what is that monthly payment. And then number 30 is really similar, only now for transportation. And so a car, a truck, SUV, whatever you're interested in, maybe a motorcycle. It's not really specific on that, but you're buying some form of transportation and then figuring out using the payment formula to figure out a monthly cost. And so let's look at the rubric going along with this, things I'll be looking for when I do the grading. And so make sure it is an electronic spreadsheet. You should have a table for each of these, and so table that includes price, number of years, and the interest rate. And so each of those I'll be looking for that on the home and also on whatever car, truck, whatever transportation you're doing in number 30. We need those things in a table. And then you need to make sure you get the calculations correct as part of that for both of those. And you should be using the payment function that's built into Excel already. And so make sure that's what you're using to do those calculations for this. And then just make sure it's organized, easy to read, so that I can figure out what you're doing on your assignment. And so make sure that's clear to me as I do that. All right, so that is your project for this week. As far as the exam goes, similar to your last exam, as far as what you've got, you do have a formula sheet that you can use. No books or notes are allowed otherwise. Remember that if you do score below 75% or below, you do need to do a retake. And then if you've scored higher than that, you're welcome to do a retake as well if you want to try and improve your score. So prepare carefully for that, and good luck on it. And please do let me know if you have questions. You can leave those as a reply to this announcement.